Hi friends, let me show you this multifunction electric spin scrubber that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really complete set. You have a mesh bag to bring everything with you. You have the different cleaning heads. Okay. You have the actual unit and of course your user manual, okay? So let me tell you that you get all these different heads. This is a brush for bottles and things like that. This is a metal wire brush to clean tools or your grill, for example. That's great for the grill. This is the flat brush to clean everything. This is a cone-like brush. You can clean with this like your tires from your car, the small spaces in your car, or any corner. This is a corner cone brush, okay? Then you have the magic tape bracket. This one will allow you to use different pads like these ones. You just put them here and they will stay there. Or this one. This is more like a sponge. Okay, these are like for scrubbing. Okay, so, well, this is the set. You screw it like that. Then, this is the charging port. It's a regular USB-C charging port. Okay, and you just keep this button pressed a little bit and it will start working. You have a strong mode and then it's off. So you have two speeds, regular and strong. And then you can do your cleaning like that, okay? This one you screw it, this one you just plug it in like that, okay? Okay, you are able to clean like that. Okay, you just change it like that, okay? Let me show you. You can use it to clean everything like this. And to that part, you can use the corner brush, okay? Like that. You see? For small corners, okay? You can use them any place you want to clean your bathroom, to clean your shower. It's easy, you don't have to work with your hand. This will do the work for you, okay? In your grill, you want to use the wire one. Like this. You will be able to clean all your grill really easily. You could even use some soap, water soap, or oil. Okay? And for the outside, you can use this one, like this. See? Like that.